This is a 3D mockup that we created of a can that we made for Almanac. It's actually using the native 3D tools inside Illustrator, so it's not a photograph. What we did to create this is basically creating half of a can shape and using the 3D tool to create everything you see here. So if I go to Object in the 3D and Materials window and click on Revolve, I can quickly get a can shape by revolving that shape around itself. I'm going to go ahead and change the rotation of everything so it's just straight on flat towards us. You actually can change the perspective if you want a little bit, which we can get some rounding on the top and bottom. Materials is where you can actually add a little bit of that metallic look that we're going for to make it look like aluminum. And lighting is really where things get interesting. You can make the light source coming in from the top left. You can actually add two light sources, so you have one on the right side as well. It starts to look pretty metallic at that point. And then for the materials, you can actually add a graphic. You can actually add, let's say, a label on top of this. So I have the front of the can that we have here in vector form. In order to use it for this, I'm just going to create a new symbol. So now it's added to my symbols library. I'm going to go back to the 3D tool here, and then I'm going to go into graphics under materials, click on that new symbol, and it's going to add it to the actual art. So I'm going to actually play around with its sizing a little bit, get it to be a little bit closer to what I imagine it would look like in the real life, something around there. And then I'm going to go ahead and play around with the can a little bit and make it a little bit less shiny by bringing up the roughness. And you can see that you have a lot of things that you can do here using just a single shape within the 3D and materials toolbox.